So some pretty significant news when it comes down to Tesla stock. If you guys have not seen this, Tesla is trading lower today, not due to the unfortunate news of the terrorist attack at Trump Tower of a Tesla Cybertruck blowing up and unfortunately killing one person and injuring 7 others. The reason Tesla stock is selling off today is because it missed on deliveries. Now, let me make this very clear. Was it a huge miss on, why it is that is causing the stock to sell off? No, but there's an expectation of how many vehicles Tesla is expected to deliver quarter after quarter. And it says Tesla's fourth quarter year-over-year productions and deliveries reports follows a huge late year rally after a huge late year rally in the company's stock price. The thing that, again, is now coming to light is that it was lower than what Wall Street expected. And because of that, it wasn't a huge miss, but it was enough of a miss that based off of how inflated Tesla's stock price was because of Elon now being partnered with Trump and the Trump administration, that it's not going to take much for little bad news to cause Tesla stock to retrace. And the reason why is that when a stock is this inflated within a short period of time, again, it needs to make sure that it's trading and reporting perfectly because it's trading at an inflated price. And if anything is there to prove that it's not actually worth, $1.3 trillion when it was previously worth $700 billion, then again, there's a huge discrepancy there. So is Tesla stock correcting itself today? Because it was a huge miss on deliveries. So Tesla deliveries for Q4 2024 was right under 500,000. Production was right under 460,000. And again, based off of analyst expectation, the consensus was right around 506,000. So it predicted deliveries to be right around 501, simply came in a little bit lower. So you're going to see people saying, oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. They barely miss. It's not about barely missing. Tesla is not in a position to barely miss when it's trading at 2 to 3 times of what it was trading at because of all of this hype. And this is where hype begins to be corrected by reality and where reality really begins to sink in, and it affects a lot of the people that bought into the hype at $400 to $500 per share. Now, I'm not here to say that Tesla's going to have to fully correct itself, but you cannot be surprised when there's a major expectation for Tesla to deliver and they did not meet those expectations. You cannot be surprised for a 5 or 6 or 10% sell-off because yes, it might be overreacting on the way down because it overreacted on the way up. So I just want to make sure that was very clear. Now, the one thing that I do want to share with you guys today is one of the amazing trades that I've had today. So this is a super risky stock. I would not recommend it for any beginner out there. But in today's live trading session, not only did we short SOUN, we also bought into the dip, went long, and then opened short again and closed it. Now it became a little bit more on the overbought side. I just opened short again. I want to see that if it does get rejected right around $21 per share, if it retraces right back down to $19 per share. And remember, SOUN is this overhyped up, overvalued piece of crap AI company that again went from $3 per share all the way up to highs of 25. Just like MSTR, just like SMCI, and just like GameStop, again, what pumps up must come down, and it's only a matter of time. It pays to be patient in this market. So again, it's still somewhat bullish. It's in the early stages of a potential reversal, but I love talking about these overvalued and overhyped up stocks before they actually begin to sell off. And you'll see people in the comment section, oh no, this one, is actually going to be the next big thing. They always say that, right? And then when they correct themselves, just like all the people that were bag holding from $548 on MSTR down to lows of 283, remember, our job is not to be perfect. I'm not here to pretend to be, right? Our job is to make sure that we don't put ourselves in positions that we cannot tolerate. So a stock losing 50% of its value is not a safe place. So I'm super excited to follow up. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. Is SOUN done pushing and is it ready to sell off, or is it a little bit too early? You guys let me know down below. Again, I appreciate you guys' time. If you ever want to tune on into our live trading session, I trade live every single morning right at market open, and you can join right now for one of our biggest sales, and it's the second link in the description down below. If you sign up today, you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, and remember, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you'll get to watch me trade live every single day. Hope that earns a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.